Thanks for stopping by the channel today. Got a little bikepacking trip this weekend. Just doing a out and back. The back is a little different route, but it's about 32 miles both ways. About 70 for the weekend. We're going to head up to Spring Gap. It's a conservation place. Free camping. Start checking out some of these conservation places here in Missouri. Been to a couple, but I need to start doing some more little weekend trips. I didn't do much last year, but there's Steed. Got a different rack system. Anyways, guys, we're gonna get started here. Mostly be kind of like back roads and gravel roads. Anyways, take you along with me. Okay, guys, just getting started here today. It's about 75 degrees. It's going to get up around 95 today and tomorrow. Going to be a couple hot ones. Just leaving conservation place here, headed to another conservation place. Get on down the road here. Hey guys, here at Southern Cemetery. I like to stop at these cemeteries and take a look. There's a couple unique ones I wanted to show you. There's a Steed, still holding up good. This one down here. That one was really cool. Mary Bowlers passed away in 2015. We'll go up to the middle here. Try not to step on any. And this one here is Wade William Moreland. I went to high school with him. Didn't know he was out here. Lots of Morelands. Lots of Southerns too. Related? Possibly. There's another one up here I wanted to show you. Kevin J. Hart Jr. I guess his nickname was Buddy, I'm guessing. Very patriotic, maybe military, possibly. Anyways, guys, that's the cemetery. I'm gonna get out of here. As far as the ride goes, we're about 6 miles in. Doing pretty good. Starting to warm up though. Anyways, carry on. Hey guys, about 10 miles in here. Just taking my time. About an hour, a little over an hour. Enjoying these gravel roads, enjoying the hills. Gonna stop about halfway and eat something. It's probably about another 5 miles. Anyways, gonna keep rolling here down this beautiful scenery. That's amazing. Anyway, we're gonna stop in about 5 miles and get something to eat. See you then. Okay guys, we're halfway done for the day. 15 down, 15 to go. Getting ready to stop at the next chasing spot for some lunch. Right up here. Hey guys, here's the lunch stop. Pretty warm today. It's about up to 90. Anyways, I'll show you what I got for lunch. Got the ranch tuna. Get chicken salad. Bringing in sausages for the win. And some sausages. Hey guys, just got done with lunch here. That was the lunch stop, the roadside lunch stop. Carry on. We're about halfway done, like I said, for the lunch stop. I'm gonna carry on here. My makeshift water station. Got the Sawyer 1 gallon. Works pretty good. Got a nickel on the telephone pole. I've already filled 2 bottles up and just letting it kind of drain out. Come down this gravel hill here, getting pretty rough. This is kind of unexpected. Gotta cross it. Gonna barefoot it. Remember when you were a kid and you could be able to run across the rocks? Not as an adult. For some reason. Okay. Oh yeah. Made it. Hey guys, just take a little heat break here. Got about 3 miles to go. Last 10 miles have been pretty rough. Crossing those creeks and super chunky. Just kind of just bouncing everywhere. Anyways, we're almost done. Like I said, 3 more miles. We'll be there. We got a pretty good uphill at the end. So we'll have to get that knocked out. Then we can rest. Woohoo! Made it! The last couple miles there, I feel like I was gonna start to bunk. Feeling pretty rough. Well, made it to the campsite. Alright guys, made it here to the conservation place. The campgrounds are supposed to be back here. according to the map. I don't think so. I don't know where it's at. Probably not back there. Might be here in the parking lot. Yeah. Supposed to be a designated camping spot. I don't see one. That's kind of what I was afraid of. Might be here on the edge of the parking lot. Keep looking here. Possibly do something back here. Maybe. I don't know. Looks like a pretty decent spot here. This might be it. Anyways, we're not gonna get too carried away yet. I have a breather here. Pretty tired. So, gonna take a break here and just chill and set up the tent and whatnot. Hey guys, been here for a little bit, kind of just walking around looking for a campsite. There's a kind of conservation place across the road. It's got a fire tower. I thought about that over there. There's some flat spots, but I found me a spot back in here. It was back in, where did I go? Down here. Yeah, down here. Just started clearing out a spot. Yeah, I cleared out that spot there. I think that's where we're gonna go with it. Probably no rain fly tonight. I'll double check the weather, but as far as I know, it's not supposed to rain. I'll keep her close by though. Hey guys, went to look for water. Walked for about probably 45 minutes. Couldn't find none. Passed a few mud holes. The cleanest mud hole I could find. I usually like to do running water, but couldn't find any running water in streams or thing like that, creeks. So mud hole water it is. I drank some of it. It's all right. Anyways, walking back to the camp. Probably be cooking some dinner here shortly. Hey guys, about to close the day out here. Laid in the tent for a little while. Take a little nap. Started to rain for a little bit. I sprinkled. Got up and had lunch. The Mountain House beef stroganoff. Highly recommend it. Alright, in the tent for the rest of the night. Sun's about to go down. Anywho, catch you guys in the morning. Hey guys, it's the next morning. Got all packed up. It's probably about 4 a.m. Rain is supposed to be here about 5. Gonna rain about an hour or two. so I wanted to get everything packed up before the rain came. If not, I'd been getting out here late. So anywho, waiting for daybreak. Waiting for daybreak here, and we'll take off. Got about 24 miles. We're going back a different way today. All right, see you at daybreak. Hey guys, just starting to get daylight here. Hit the road. It's 5:30. Like I said, got about 25 miles today. Gonna get it knocked out before it gets too hot. Going downhill here, good way to start the day. Hey guys, a little over 9 miles here. Filtering some water. Stopped here and got some. Pretty good walk down there. Anyways, filtering water now and gonna get back on the road. This should be my last filter. And I'm gonna wait on this and head out. Hey guys, a little over halfway here. About 12.5 miles. Stop for lunch break. It's 7:30, but I call it lunch because it's halfway. Anyways, pretty much the same thing as yesterday. Got the beef tender bites instead of the beef bites. Anyways, gonna sit here and enjoy that. Got a couple big hills coming up. Hey guys, we're rolling here at the end. About half a mile left. I'm going to take you in. Today's a short day. It's only 25 miles, but it's a pretty rough one. A lot of gravel hills, a lot of big gravel hills. Quite a bit of elevation in a short distance. Get back, get packed up. First things first, it's a nice cold Coke Zero. I think is in order. Pulling in here to the lake where we parked yesterday. Couple of boats out on the lake. With the cars here. I don't see it yet. Oh, there it is. Paddleboard. Alright guys, right here. Like this, don't forget to like, comment. If you like this, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one as always. Out.